Hello dear students, today we'll talk about nervous tissues. Nervous tissues are highly specialized tissues for conduction of nerve impulses. Basically they are found in the two types of categories, neurons and glia cells. Neurons have no tendency of division. Neurons में division नहीं होता है. But glia cells have got tendency of division. Glia cells और neuroglia have got tendency of division. यानी जो glia cells होती हैं वो divide हो सकती हैं. That's why brain tumor basically responsible for the ग्लिया सेल्स के थ्रू ही क्या होता है, ब्रेन ट्यूमर होता है, क्योंकि इनमें डिवीजन होता है. नाउ दिस इज द डायग्रामेटिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द न्यूरॉन. द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूरॉन्स आर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दीज आर द डेंड्राइट्स. These dendrites play a very important role to take stimulations from the outside areas. After that, the long extension is known as axon, and the last part, the button-like structure, they are known as axon end buttons or axon end bulbs. The above part, it is known as cytone. This cytone have got the different types of things. First of all, dendrites. After that, nucleus. Then the specific types of dotted-like structures are also present in the cytoplasm of neuron. These dotted-like structures are basically nasal granules, and these nasal granules are endoplasmic reticulum basically. After that, whenever signal or the stimulation passes from the dendrites or absorbed by the dendrites, then they transmit into the specific direction, in this direction, only one direction. Clear? And these direction is related to the axon, then after that the axon end bulb. In this axon, there are different types of myelin sheath. These sheath-like structures are known as myelin sheath. And these all myelin sheath are covered by a cell, red color, this is a red color cell. This is known as Schwann cell. It means the Schwann cells secrete the myelin sheath. Between these myelin sheath or the Schwann cells, there is a gap. This gap is known as node of Ranvier. And this gap play a very important role whenever stimulations passes. Because these myelin sheath, from if the signal passes from that area, so they signals jump this myelin sheath or the Schwann cells and interconnect here in this particular node of Ranvier. After that they jump, after that they jump, after that they jump. In this way we can say that the multipolar neurons, this is a multipolar neuron have got the fast tendency to transmit the signal from one part to the another part. Now the types of neurons. Types of neurons are here: sensory neurons, second motor neurons, and mixed neurons. What is the work of sensory neurons? Sensory neurons basically related to the sense organs. Suppose these are the sense organ and this is central nervous system. Whenever the sense organs have got different types of stimulations, they absorb by the particular neuron with the help of these dendrites. Then they transmit into the axon and transfer the all types of senses to the central nervous system or brain. So these types of neurons, those take information and transfer into the central nervous system. They are known as central sensory neurons. Motor neuron have tendency to collect the all types of information or stimulations from the central nervous system and give it to the particular affected part or the particular affected body part. For example, hand. For example, other type of our body. Then after that, mixed neurons have both types of qualities. They act as like a sensory neurons and motor neurons both. At last, here we have the glia cells. Glia cells are three types: microglia, astroglia, or oligodendroglia. Microglia are small size and they have a tendency of phagocytic. It means they kill the all types of different types of pathogens and engulf it. Astroglia look just like star and they have different types of long thread-like extensions. With the help of these extensions, they hold the blood vessels apart from the neurons also. Oligodendroglia are basically they secrete the myelin sheath. Example, Schwann cells. These are the Schwann cells. These Schwann cells are the examples of oligodendroglia because they secrete the myelin sheath. That's all about the nervous tissues.